Managing diabetes doesn't have to feel overwhelming or like an endless battle. With careful food choices, you can stabilize your blood sugar levels, improve your overall health, and even boost your energy and vitality. The key is selecting nutrient-dense foods that support your body's ability to maintain balanced blood sugar. The foods you eat directly influence your insulin sensitivity, how your body processes glucose, and your risk of developing complications. By choosing wisely, you can actively manage your diabetes and make the journey of managing your health much more manageable and empowering. In this comprehensive guide, we will take an in-depth look at 13 superfoods that every diabetic should consider incorporating into their diet. Along with detailed explanations of their nutritional benefits, practical meal ideas, and the science behind how they help stabilize blood sugar, this guide is here to empower you to make informed and mindful decisions. So, let's dive into how you can transform your eating habits, improve your overall lifestyle, and incorporate these diabetes-friendly foods into your daily routine. These foods have been carefully selected for their ability to support balanced blood sugar levels, enhance metabolic health, and boost energy, all while reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. 1. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, and arugula, are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. These vegetables are incredibly low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them ideal for keeping blood sugar levels in check. Leafy greens are rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium, all of which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, supporting heart health, and enhancing overall bodily function. Moreover, these greens are filled with antioxidants, which protect your body's cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by high blood sugar, which is particularly beneficial for those with diabetes. Including leafy greens in your meals can help reduce the risk of complications commonly associated with diabetes. Benefits of leafy greens. High in fiber, which helps slow glucose absorption and keeps blood sugar levels stable. Rich in magnesium, which plays a vital role in insulin function and can reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications, such as heart disease. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, which protects against cellular damage caused by high blood sugar levels. Low in calories but rich in nutrients, making them a perfect option for those looking to manage their weight while nourishing their bodies. How to add leafy greens to your diet. Add them to your morning smoothie, blending leafy greens like spinach or kale with fresh berries, almond milk, and a touch of honey. Toss greens such as arugula, spinach, or kale into your favorite soups, stews, and stir-fries for a flavorful and nutrient-rich meal. Sauté spinach or Swiss chard in olive oil and garlic for a quick side dish that complements any protein. Use large, sturdy leaves like collard greens as a substitute for tortillas to make low-carb wraps filled with your favorite ingredients. Add greens to salads, topping them with avocado or a handful of nuts for healthy fats that further stabilize blood sugar levels. 2. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are low-sugar fruits that pack a nutritional punch. Not only are they delicious and versatile, but they are also rich in antioxidants and fiber, both of which are crucial for blood sugar control. The antioxidants in berries, specifically anthocyanins, have been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Berries also contain significant amounts of vitamin C, which helps lower blood sugar levels and enhance immune function. These fruits are naturally low in sugar and offer a sweet, satisfying option without spiking blood sugar, making them perfect for diabetics. Benefits of berries. High in fiber, which slows glucose absorption and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which reduce oxidative stress and help reduce inflammation. low in sugar compared to other fruits, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. May improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Ways to enjoy berries. Add fresh or frozen berries to Greek yogurt for a protein-packed, fiber-rich snack that will keep you full longer. Blend berries into a nutrient-dense smoothie with leafy greens like spinach and chia seeds to kickstart your day with essential vitamins and minerals. Create a simple berry compote by simmering fresh or frozen berries on the stove with a little water and stevia for a sugar-free dessert. Freeze berries to enjoy as a cool snack during warmer months, or use them as a topping for oatmeal, whole grain cereal, or even ice cream. 3. Chia seeds. May be tiny, but they are packed with nutrients. These tiny seeds are an excellent source of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and expands in the stomach, helping to slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Chia seeds can help control appetite and provide a steady stream of energy throughout the day. Additionally, chia seeds are great for improving digestive health and promoting regularity, both of which can help support overall well-being. They are also incredibly versatile and can be added to a wide range of meals and snacks. How to add chia seeds to your diet. Soak chia seeds overnight in almond milk or coconut milk to make chia pudding, then top with fresh berries and nuts for added nutrition. Add chia seeds to smoothies for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3s. Sprinkle chia seeds over salads, yogurt, or oatmeal to increase fiber content and promote digestive health. Use chia seeds as an egg replacement in baking recipes for a plant-based alternative to eggs. 4. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans, are excellent plant-based sources of protein and fiber. These foods have a low glycemic index, which means they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Their high fiber content also helps slow digestion, keeping you feeling full for longer and preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, beans and legumes are rich in essential vitamins and minerals like iron, folate, and potassium, which support overall health and metabolic function. Best ways to enjoy beans and legumes. Add beans or lentils to soups, stews, and chili to enhance the protein content and make your meals more filling. Make a simple bean salad with olive oil, lemon, and fresh herbs for a light, nutrient-rich side dish. Use chickpeas to make homemade hummus, which pairs wonderfully with raw vegetables or whole grain crackers for a healthy snack. Add beans to your tacos, wraps, or grain bowls to increase the fiber and protein content of your meals. 5. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, oats, and barley are far better for managing blood sugar than refined grains like white rice or white bread. Whole grains contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help regulate blood sugar, support digestion, and promote gut health. The fiber in whole grains slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes after meals. Whole grains are also packed with nutrients such as B vitamins and magnesium, which support energy metabolism and overall health. Smart whole grain choices. Swap out white rice for fiber-rich whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or barley to stabilize blood sugar. Choose whole grain bread over refined white bread, as it has a lower glycemic index and offers more nutritional value. Prepare overnight oats with unsweetened almond milk, adding a handful of fresh fruit or nuts for a filling breakfast. Make quinoa salads, grain bowls, or stir-fries using farro or bulgur as your base for a nutrient-dense meal. 6. Greek yogurt. It is a protein-rich dairy product that is also filled with probiotics, which support gut health. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt has fewer carbohydrates and more protein, making it an excellent option for those managing blood sugar levels. The probiotics in Greek yogurt can help improve digestive health, which is particularly important for those with diabetes, as gut health plays a role in insulin sensitivity. Furthermore, Greek yogurt has a creamy texture and can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. How to enjoy Greek yogurt. Enjoy Greek yogurt with fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a satisfying, balanced snack. Use Greek yogurt as a replacement for sour cream or mayonnaise in recipes, such as in dressings, dips, or as a topping for baked potatoes. Blend Greek yogurt into smoothies for added protein and creaminess. Mix Greek yogurt into your baking recipes as a healthier alternative to high-fat ingredients. 7. Dark chocolate, specifically varieties with at least 70% cocoa, is loaded with antioxidants and flavonoids that may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. When consumed in moderation, dark chocolate can satisfy your sweet cravings without spiking blood sugar levels. It's also a good source of magnesium, which plays a role in regulating blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Eating dark chocolate in small amounts can also help curb sugar cravings and provide a sweet, enjoyable treat that doesn't compromise blood sugar control. Best ways to eat dark chocolate. Choose dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa and minimal added sugar to maximize the health benefits. Melt dark chocolate and drizzle it over fresh fruit, such as strawberries or raspberries, for a delicious and healthy dessert. Enjoy a small square of dark chocolate after a meal as a treat that helps satisfy sweet cravings without compromising blood sugar levels. Additional tips for managing diabetes through diet. 1. Portion control. When managing diabetes, portion control is essential. Even healthy foods, if consumed in excess, can lead to blood sugar spikes. Practicing portion control helps you regulate your food intake and prevents overeating, contributing to better blood sugar management. 2. Combine superfoods for maximum benefits. Pairing complementary superfoods together can amplify their health benefits. For example, combining leafy greens with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado enhances the absorption of nutrients and supports healthy blood sugar levels. 3. Meal timing and blood sugar control. Eating at regular intervals throughout the day helps prevent blood sugar dips and spikes. Try eating balanced meals every 4-5 hours to maintain steady blood sugar levels, and always include a protein source with each meal to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. Incorporating these superfoods into your daily meals can help you better manage your diabetes while improving your overall health. By making small but impactful changes to your diet, you can enjoy better blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips, recipes, and wellness advice. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take control of your diabetes today.